Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the IJCR exam approach, how you can approach the particular examination which is based on as BARC, and what type of question is coming and how you can approach and what was the preparation strategy. We will discuss all these things in a detail in this video, so you need to stay at the end of the video, and if you have any type of query, do mention in comment box. We will definitely review your comment and get back to you very soon. So let's begin with the video. So as you are aware of that, IGCAR exam like exactly similar examination of BARC, which is a part of a Department of Atomic Energy, and if you get the idea about that, both the posts are exactly same for the IGCAR post as well as BARC post, SC post. So what was your strategy before attempting to the examination? So I will get the data from based on a BARC examination, and I have also got the comment from the few of the student which is watching our videos has been selected for the BARC written examination. I have mentioned the comment in a feedback videos. If you want, you can go over there, or you can check the comment of BARC description videos, so that you will get the idea what was the student and what was the approach that particular student who was selected in a BARC written examination. So let's begin with the IGCAR exam. So first you need to go with the thermal part. You need to have a basic idea of the thermodynamic, and you need to make sure that you need to complete it, get 1 mark as well as 2 mark questions. Do not skip any of the question from the gate examination, because it's based on a numerical type, and you need to have a minimum idea what was the question which is asked in the option based question as well as numerical data type. Even though they do not have option to fill that particular answer, but you need to have an idea about what was the approach to solve that particular type of question. So in a thermodynamic, you need to have a basic all the 5 chapter of thermodynamic, like first law of thermodynamics, second law of basic thermodynamic, and entropy, availability, as well as properties of pure substance. And if I have mentioned, like there is few important questions which is coming in BARC examination, like the law of thermodynamic, Otto cycle, diesel cycle, Brayton cycle, diesel, as well as your Rankine cycle. All these things are coming in a BARC examination, that's why I have put it over there. But if you want, you can skip it and at least go through the syllabus of gate examination which is mentioned over there. But I have mentioned for the important subjects as of now. If you time have less, then go with the thermodynamic, and you need to go with the manufacturing, because this is the most important part of a IGCAR examination. Like in a manufacturing, you need to have done with the metal cutting, as well as problems from welding and different types of welding, as well as in casting. These at least 4 topics you need to have a thorough with that before going to that particular examination. If we talk about the fluid mechanics, I have mentioned only few of the topic, but it is not the right way. You need to go at least with the kinematics and as well as basic properties of fluid, U2 manometer, as well as your boundary layer part. You need to cover up with all the 4 parts. Along with that, you need to have a fluid machinery as well. These 5 topics you need to cover before going to that particular examination. Going ahead with the heat transfer, you need to come with at least 4 conduction, convection, radiation, as well as heat exchanger, and make sure that radiation you need to learn with the safe factor and all those things, because it's frequently coming in BARC examination. At least 3 questions are coming this year in BARC examination. Similarly for the heat exchanger, you need to have idea what was the total area, as well as how you can approach to solve the particular log mean temperature difference, that LMTD. These 2 type of question is coming in that particular examination. One more thing, for the dynamic analysis, dimension analysis question is coming in a fluid mechanics. You have a basic idea what was the type of dimensionless analysis and how you can solve the particular question which they have mentioned in BARC examination. For more details, please go on playlist of BARC, which I have got the details from the student feedback, like memory based question. So just go through it, you have idea what type of BARC question they have asked in these examinations. Going ahead with the strength of material, this is the most important part, but make sure that these questions are too lengthy. If you try to attempt this type of question, it take a single question take more than 5 minutes. The most confusing topic for this is like deflection of beam, SFD, BMD, and few cases of cylinders as well. Few of the questions of cylinder, they have multiple, like hemisphere along with the cylinder. Like if the questions and diagrams are typical, then these types of lengthy question is coming in these 3 topics. Make sure that if the question is easy, then you have to attempt it, otherwise skip it at all. Going ahead with the industrial, you need to have a thorough with the economical order quantity, that is EOQ, and different types of it, and forecasting and LPP equations. So these topics are this year also coming, at least 1 question from each of the topic. So make sure that do not skip this question as well. Going ahead with the machine design, very few questions is coming in this year BRC examination. Based on that, I'll suggest only go with the gears as well as theory of failures. If you have these idea, then might be you have attempt that. And if you go with the like welded and bolted joint, it's a question are too lengthy and chances of mentioning that questions is less. And if you the question asked, do not attempt that type of question because it's taking too much time. So make sure that you need to have a proper strategy before attempt to do any type of examination for IGCAR. Going ahead with the engineering materials, very few questions are asked in BRC, and you need to make sure that all the properties related to that materials you need to have idea. Along with that iron carbide diagram, you also have that particular temperature and what was the composition of that. You need to get the idea about that, and make sure that you need to solve all the ESE as well as GATE previous year questions, because it's a theory part of questions. You need to go through all these PYQ. And going ahead with the engineering mechanics, you need to have only two type of question is coming, like work energy, friction as well as trusses. Few of the questions of trusses is coming. If the trusses question are easy, then you can attempt it, otherwise you can skip it. So as of now I have covered almost all the parts. Like theory of machine I have missed it. So the theory of machine, which is mentioned in a BRC examination, around 15 marks, and you need to go through it for all the type of question which is mentioned in GATE examination. Like most important topic was gear, balancing are very less questionnaires, but last 2 years they have asking 2 to 3 questions from there. So you need to go with the gear, basic kinematics, and what was the degree of freedom, all those things. Velocity and acceleration, if the question are coming are easy or direct forwarded, then you have attempted, otherwise skip it at all, because velocity and acceleration taking lots of time to solve that particular type of single question. Make sure that you need to attempt the gear, basic kinematic, degree of freedoms, as well as your balancing as kinematics. All these 5 type of things we need to cover. And going ahead with the vibration, you need to basic diagram of vibration, which they have mentioned, free and forced damped vibration. All these 2 types you need to attempt, at least go through the PYQ of BRC as well as ESE questions. And if you solve all the GATE as well as ESE question, is sufficient to appear for that particular examination. At least one time so you need to solve it. So that's all for this video, because I have received lots of comment what was the strategy about IGCAR examination. So I need to make that particular video. And I have also initiated a few things like a numerical aptitude type of question which is coming in different PSU examination. If you technical person who is try to give that particular examination, he have never idea, because he is try to habit to solve all the type of question based on a GATE calculator. But in recent PSU examination like WISAC, NLC, and other examination like CL, the different type of question which is coming, you do not have idea how to attempt it. If you try to attempt it, it takes more than 2 minutes for a single question. So that's why I have received few of the comment from student. You need to start that particular things, and if you attempt to, and if you go through that particular video, it's not more than 1 minute. So if you have in between a time, you just go through that particular type and have a quick idea how to solve the particular question within a minute. So I have started that series as well. And if you have any type of query, or if you want to give a feedback to our videos, definitely mention in comment box. I will definitely reach out to each and every person soon, because I have already give the solution of particular things in a comment box as well. If the comment are too high, then I'll try to come with the live as soon as possible. So that's all for videos. If you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel. Thanks for